What do you think the future has for you? Hey Brent English students, this week we get talking about the future. Yes, I know the future can be a little ominous, but don't worry. Here we are going to speak about it and use new vocabulary and expressions that will improve your level of English. Because the more you speak, the better you become. So let's find out what's in this week's lesson.
That's right, Brent. This week we have new vocabulary like the noun amber, hope, and the noun ambition.
We have expressions like right around the corner and in the blink of an eye.
Grammar this week is prepositions of place. In, at, on. We use in when we are surrounded by something. For example, in a city. We use at when you are at a particular location. For example, I am at home. And on we use for contact with the surface. For example, the cup is on the table. We have many more examples on the platform, so check it out.
So, before we get talking about the future, remember, check out the platform. Have a wonderful week and see you in class. Bye bye!